Okay, so nandito na tayo sa part 2 ng ating week 7 discussion. Okay, kung saan di-discuss tayo ng example number 2. So itong example number 2 is ang main difference nito sa example number 1 is yung first term or yung term na may pinakamalaking exponent, ang kanyang coefficient is 1. Okay, so pag walang nakasulat, coefficient is 1. So unlike dun sa ating example number 1, yung previous example natin, yung ating first term, merong exponent 2. Okay? So, paano gagawin natin kapag ang first term ay walang exponent? So, dito sa number 2, pinapahanap sa atin, find the factors of x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. Okay? So, syempre, pinakauna, i-inspect muna natin kung naka-arrange ba siya sa from highest exponent pababa sa lowest exponent. Okay? So, umpisa sa exponent 3, and then exponent 2, and then exponent 1. Pag walang nakasulat, may 1 yun. Then exponent 0. Kapag exponent 0, that's equal to 1. Kaya wala na kayo nakikitang x dito because ang exponent ng x dito is 0. So ito yung pinakamalaking first term natin. Ito yung term na may pinakamalaking exponent sa x. And ito yung last term natin, yung constant. So, kagaya ng ginawa natin first example, kakaroon tayo ng A and B, pero unahin natin yung B para hindi tayo malito na yung B corresponds to the first term. Since ang first term natin is x cubed, so i-assign natin ng x cubed kay B. So x cubed, itong x cubed is equals to 1x cubed. Okay? Kapag walang exponent, meron niyang 1 na exponent dyan. Na hindi na natin nilalagay kasi ang ibig sabihin lang naman nun is 1 times x cubed. So 1 times x cubed is equal to x cubed. Kaya that's the reason kung bakit nawawala yung 1 dito. Okay? Since ang coefficient ng first term is 1, ang b natin ay magiging equal to 1. So, ano-ano ba ang factors ng 1? So, walang iba kundi 1 lang. Yun lang ang factor ng 1. 1. Okay? Siyempre, hindi pwede yung 2, hindi pwede yung 3, no? Mas malaki na yun sa 1. So, ang factors ng 1 is 1 lang. So, dito naman tayo sa A. Sabi natin yung A, dito natin yung B, yung first term. Yung A, yung pinaka last term, negative 6. So, negative 6, positive 6, walang kaso yun. So, ang bibigay natin kay A is 6. Okay? 6. Ano ko yung 6? And 6. Next is, anong factors ng 6? Ano-anong mga number na pwede mag-divide sa 6? Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang 1. Laging nandyan ang 1. at yung sarili niya, 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 6 divided by 1 is 6. Pwede rin ng 2. Pwedeng i-divide ng 2 ang 6. Pwede rin ng 3. Kayang i-divide ng 3 ang 6. Pero hindi pwede ang 4. Hindi kaya ng 4 divide ang 6 ng eksakto. Hindi rin pwede ang 5. Hindi rin kaya ng 5 ang 6. No? At hindi pwede rin ang 7, 8, 9, at lahat ng number na mas mataas sa 6. Hindi pwede yan. Therefore, ang factors ng 6 ay 4 lang. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Next is, gaya ng ginawa natin sa first example, ililista natin, we're going to list all possible. Lahat ng possible value ng A over B. Zeros. Okay, so itong A over B, ito yung mga number na magpapa-zero sa equation. Hindi lahat. Tetest natin kung sino yung mga magpapa-zero. Kung sino yung mga pagpa-zero, siya yung sagot. At siya nga pala, no, kagaya na sinabi natin kanina, kung ito yung pinakamataas exponent, is 3, so therefore, ang roots na hinahanap natin ay 3 din. So, meron 3 number na makakapagpa-zero dito. Meron 3 number na makakapagpa-zero dyan. Okay, so, since A over B, itong mga to, yung mga A eh. Itong mga to ang nasa taas, and itong 1 ang nasa baba. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1 over 1, 2 over 1, 3 over 1, and 6 over 1. 1 over 1, 2 over 1, 3 over 1, 6 over 1. At sila ay may plus minus. Pwedeng positive, pwedeng negative. And then, simplify pa natin further. 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Siyempre, kasama pa rin niya yung plus and minus. And then, 2 divided by 1 2 divided by 1 is 2. And then, nandun pa rin yung plus and minus. Next is 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Nandun pa rin yung plus and minus. And then 6 divided by 1, 6. Doon pa rin yung plus and minus. So, ito lahat ang testing natin. Plus, una puro negative. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 6. And then yung mga positive. Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 6. Okay, testing natin lahat yan. At para malaman natin kung alin sa 8 na yan ang makakapagpa-zero sa equation. Ang gagawin natin, since ang una is 1, so nahid natin ng negative dahil mas mababa ang negative. Negative 1 and positive 1. So yung equation natin, papalitan lang natin lahat ng x ng negative 1. Okay? So, lahat ng x, ito, magiging negative 1. Ito, magiging negative 1x, negative 1 cube. Ito, magiging negative 1. And then, magiging negative 1. So, naman sa kabila, lahat ng x magiging positive 1. Positive 1, positive 1, positive 1, and positive 1. Okay? So, naglagay tayo ng parenthesis kasi maglalagay na tayo ng number. Hindi naman pwedeng 2. Kung kanina yan ay 2x, okay, hindi natin basta-basta palitan, pwedeng palitan yung x ng 1 kasi magiging 21. So, kailangan natin maglagay muna ng parenthesis para malinaw na this is 2 times 1 squared. Okay? Next, anong gagawin natin kapag napalitan na natin ang lahat ng x ng negative 1? Okay, so kagaya na sinabi, diniscuss natin sa part 1, negative, pag ni-raise natin sa odd number, negative times negative times negative, ang sagot is negative. And then 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Okay? Ito ang sagot ng nito. And then this is plus 2, plus 2, negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Negative times negative is positive, and then 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And negative times negative is positive. 5 times 1 is 5. And then negative 6, negative 6. So this is 5. Yung dalawang negative, negative 1 at saka negative 6, magiging negative 7. Okay, magsasama sila. And then meron tayong positive dito, positive 5. So, meron tayong 7 negative, 5 positive. So, yung 5 positive is i-eliminate niya yung 5 positive, i-eliminate niya yung 5 negative. So, ang matitirang negative is negative 2. Okay, so ibig sabihin, itong tatlong to, kapag kinumpute natin, ay magiging equal to negative 2. Yun, negative 2. Then, itong isa to, hindi pa natin ako-compute. This is 2 times 1. This is positive. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so yan yung unang nakapagpa-0 sa ating equation kapag ang x is negative 1. Okay, so lumabas na isa, dalawa na lang hinahanap natin. Kapag 1 naman is 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Positive 2 plus 2. 1 times 1 is 1. And then negative 5 times positive 1 is negative 5 minus 6. So, operate muna natin to. Positive 1, negative 5, at saka negative 6. Di pa muna natin pwedeng isali to. Kasi multiplication pa sila, no? Itong dalawang to, since pareho silang negative, co-combine natin sila. Magiging negative 11. Okay. And then, negative 11, yung negative, nadagdagan ng 6 na negative, ang sagot is negative 11. And then, tignan natin itong natiran to, positive 2 times 1 is positive 2. So, ang gagawin natin is negative 10 at saka negative 11, magsasama sila, so magiging negative 21, and then babawasan ng dalawa. So, this is 11. 11 minus 2 is 3. Magiging 1 na lang to. So, negative 1, negative 13. No? Negative 19. Ulit nga. So, negative 21, babawasan natin ang dalawa. So, ang magiging sagot is negative 19. Okay? Bakit negative 8? Anyway, basta ang mahalaga, hindi 0 yung lumabas. At teka lang saglit, ano nangyari dito ah. Ito pala. So, negative 5 plus negative 6 is negative 11. Then meron tayo isang positive 1. So, positive 1. So, magkaiba sila ng sign. 11 minus 1 is 10. Negative. Kaya tayo may negative 10 dito. And then, tong dalawa is 2 times 1 is positive 2. Negative 10. Bawasan natin ang dalawang positive. Matitira is negative 8. Okay, so continue lang tayo. Next is tayo sa plus and minus 1. Ngayon naman, negative 2 at positive 2 ang ating susubukan. Palitan natin lahat ng x ng negative 2. Negative 2. Ito, lagyan ng bracket. And then, negative 2. Negative 2. Palitan ng negative 2. Negative 2. And that's it. Then, compute natin to. Itong negative 2 cube is equal to negative times negative. Giging positive times isa pang negative. So, ang sagot is negative. And then, 2 times 2 cube. Ang ibig sabihin ng 2 cube is 2 times 2 times 2. So, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Okay? Then, jump lang ulit tayo. This is negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. positive 4. Then meron tayong positive 2 dito dahil meron tayong positive doon. This is exponent 2. So, ibig sabihin negative times negative is positive. Okay, so negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Then negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. And then dito naman is negative 6. So, ipagpapatuloy natin to. Negative 8 plus negative 6, sila ay magiging wait lang, hindi makikita sa punta. Yun. Okay. So, meron tayong positive 10. Meron tayong negative 8. Yung dalawang negative muna, negative 8 plus negative 6, that is negative 14. So, 14 minus 10 is 4. 4. Negative. Negative 14 plus 10 is negative 4. Ayun, na negative 4. And then meron 2 times 8 is positive 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay? So, kanina negative 2. Ngayon naman, testing natin positive 2. So, 2, 2, 2. Puro ano yan. Puro hindi pa na-checkan yan. Ha? So, 2 cube is equals to 2 times 2 times 2. That's equal to 8. 2 squared is equal to 2 times 2. Ito muna, 2 squared. 2 squared is 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And then yung 2 ay nasa baba. Then negative 5 times positive 2 is negative 10. And then negative 6 and negative 6. Okay, so ganun lang ng ganun na pag-compute. Hanggang mahanap natin yung tatlong, yan, yung tatlong equal to 0. Okay? So, ang mga nagpapa-0 is negative 1, negative 1. Ang gagawin natin is ang x is equal to negative 1. And then yung negative 1 ay ililipat natin sa kabila, magiging positive 1. And then kukunin lang natin to, magkakaroon tayo ng x plus 1. Yung pangalawang lumabas is x is 2. X is 2. Okay, ang gagawin natin sa x is 2, ilista lang natin dito, x is equal to 2. Now, since nilipat natin yung 2 dito, magiging negative 2 ito. Magiging negative 2. Equal to 0. So, ang next factor is x minus 2. No? And the last term na nakapagpa-0 sa equation is negative 3, negative 3. O lahat ng insider nila, lahat ng okay, lahat ng x ay papalitan ng negative 3. Then pag kinumpute yan is negative 27. Tama, correct. 2 times 9 is correct. Negative 6. Pag yan in-evaluate natin, it will become equal to 0. And the last na test natin is yung pinakahuli na. 6 plus or minus. Yan. So, yung pinakahuling term natin is negative 3. So, yung kasama ko dito is yan. Hindi lumabas ang value ng x. Dapat magsi-0 sila, no? Hindi sila nag-0. Okay, so therefore, ang mga roots ay x plus 1, x minus 2, saka x plus 3. Plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 3. Okay. So that is the end of week 7. Yun ang mga ilan sa mga basic techniques kung paano mag-factor ng isang polynomial. Okay? So, end na natin to. Until the next week, next lesson. Okay?